So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Bybit account where you can buy and sell USDT. So make sure you stick around to the very end. I'm going to take you guys step by step how to create the account and how to verify the account, because you need to verify the account before you will be allowed to buy or sell USDT here on the Bybit platform. Now, before we jump into the video, if this is your first time coming on my YouTube channel, kindly go down below and hit on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the post notifications for more upcoming videos just like this. All you need to do is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. So I'm using an Android in this video. Just go ahead and search Bybit. You can see I've already searched it there. And you can see this is the app. This is how it looks like. So for me, currently, I've already downloaded the application, but for you, it's going to show you to download it. So just go ahead and install it, right? So if I tap on it right here, you can see it's still going to take me here. So now let me show you how to sign up step by step. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on sign up right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and tap on sign up. So once you tap on it, this is where it's going to take you. Now you can sign up using an email address or using a mobile phone number, all right? In this video, I'm going to be using an email address to do this, okay? So all I'm going to do is to enter one of my email address right here. Now remember, I already have Bybit account. I'm just creating a fresh account to walk you guys step by step how it works, okay? So after I entered my email address, I'm going to create a password. So I'm going to enter a password, right? So after you enter your password, come down here and click on this box where it says, I have read and agreed to Bybit's terms of service and privacy, okay? Then you come back here and click on sign up. I'm going to click on it, and you can see right here, intelligence verification. You can see success right here, okay? So right now, they are going to send me a verification code to the email address I provided. You can see here, verification code sent. Please check your inbox or spam folder. All right, so after entering the code, you can see right here, you can see here, welcome to Bybit. You can see registration successful, right? Now, after you sign up, you need to verify your account, okay? So down here, you can see to begin using Bybit services, please verify your account. Right here, you can see where they say upload photo of your government ID card. So you need to upload photo of your government ID card and your selfie, all right? And click on skip here. All right, so once you click on skip, this is where it's going to take you. So to verify your account, all you need to do is to click on this button where it says verify now, okay? So just go ahead, click on verify, and it's gonna load up and take you here, and click on verify now again. It's going to load up and take you here. Automatically, it's going to select your country. So I am in Nigeria right now, so that is why it's selecting Nigeria. Okay. Then right here in Nigeria, there are a couple of ways you can verify your account on Bybit. You can make use of your BVN, which is recommended. Okay. You can see here recommended. If you make use of a BVN, it's usually very, very fast to verify your account. You can make use of your government ID card, any ID card like driver's license. You can say driver's license, the national passport, or resident permit. Okay, so the one I personally use to verify my account is BVN. So just tap on BVN there. Then you come back here, click on confirm. Right here, you can see I allow Bybit to take pictures and record video. Just click on allow. Going to load up and take you here. You can say I'm a resident of or live where. So just go ahead, select other countries. Okay. After that, come down here, click on continue. Now it will take you here. You can say verify your identity. It will only take 2 minutes. You can say profile details, verify and complete your personal information. Now all you need to do is to go ahead and select take selfie. Come back here and click on continue. This is where it's going to take you, right? Now all you need to do is to go ahead, enter your BVN number right here. Then enter your last name here. Your last name is your name, not your surname. So write your name here. Then you go ahead and click on continue. That is basically how to verify your account on Bybit in Nigeria using BVN. So you can also want to use other verification methods. So just tap on verify again. But so let's say you want to verify using your driver's license. Just tap on it and then click on verify, and it's going to load up and take you here. So if you are living in US, you leave it there. If you're living in other countries, tap on other countries. Then you come down here and click on continue. And it's going to load up and take you here. Right now here you can see select your document type. So if you're using driver's license, select it. you can now take the front picture of the ID card and upload it. So that is basically how to verify using your driver's license or other verification. Now, after verifying your accounts, you can now go ahead and buy dollars on. Now, if you want to know how you can buy and sell USDT on this Bybit app after verifying, I'm going to be making a video on how you can buy and sell USDT after verifying your account. Or you can check the link in the video description. I'm going to post the link of the video in this video description or in the pinned comments, depending on when you are seeing this video. So that is basically how you can sign up and verify Bybit account in Nigeria step by step. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the post notifications for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys in my next